Large space. Each level of fruit basket can hold more than a dozen fruits and vegetables. Organize your daily kitchen foods and keep them within arm's reach when cooking. Great for used in kitchen, restaurant, fruit shop and more. Keep vegetable fresh. The 3-tier bamboo countertop fruit basket is designed by Bamboo Breathable Structure, which is very suitable for organizing fruit and vegetables and keep them fresh and last longer. Strong and sturdy. The fruit bowl for kitchen counter is selected by natural bamboo, thick bamboo board, with a good bearing weight capacity, which keeps its original appearance forever. Renewable raw material bamboo basket ensures food safety. Weight. 1,850 grams, 4.1 pounds, more durable than ordinary wood basket. Easy to clean and install. Easy to maintain and clean, just wipe it clean with a damp cloth and mild soap and water. With detailed installation instructions and videos, you can easily assemble bamboo bowls in a short time. Ideal storage basket. Top stand size, 11.8 L by 8.3 W by 3.5 H. Middle stand size, 11.8 L by 9.8 W by 3.5 H. Bottom stand size 11.8 L by 12.9 W by 3.5 H. Total height of 3-tier basket hold is 16 inch. Exquisitely crafted, durable and easy to assemble. Vintage and elegant dynamic style can meet most decoration needs. Whether giving as a gift or using in your own home, our fruit holder will surely add charm to any kitchen. Top reviews from the United States. Solid wood, perfect for the space. I didn't want a regular bread basket on my counter because they just don't seem to work well in the space, so I thought I would try one of these. I put it together quite easily since I had a drill. There are a lot of screws. I put bagels on the top tier, buns on the second, and the bottom is easily big enough for 2 loaves of bread. I would say the top is big enough for 1 full package of bagels if you put them sideways, but mine were partly used, so I was able to put 2 partial packages in there. The second is absolutely big enough for an 8-pack of gourmet buns, and of course 2 loaves of bread on the bottom, so this is perfect. I have a space between 2 windows below an existing shelf unit, and I was concerned this would stand too high, but it is absolutely perfect for the space. I could not be happier. It really makes that space look organized now.